Want to make your own movie? Start here. Every movie has 5 stages. Today we start with the most important, the idea. And that is step 1, development. Start with a simple idea. Turn it into a story, then a script. Keep it short and clear. Plan your budget. Use what you have. Even a smartphone is enough. Next, how to prepare your shoot. Before you shoot, you MUC prepare. Step 2, pre-production. Plan your scenes with a storyboard. It saves time and avoids mistakes. Choose your actors and team. Even a small crew can create magic. Pick simple locations and plan your shoot schedule carefully. Now you're ready to shoot? Let's film. This is where your movie comes alive.
The movement has to be deliberate. When you cross this line, you're entering his space, understand?
Now hit record. Capture multiple angles to make editing easier. Bad sound ruins everything. Always use a good microphone. Rehearse, retake, and refine. That's how great scenes are made. Next, we edit the magic. This is where your movie becomes a story.
Cut your footage, arrange scenes, and build your story.
Okay. Add music and sound effects. This brings emotion to your film.
Color grading gives your film its mood and style.
Export your film. Now it's ready for the world. Next, how to share your film.
Welcome, everyone. Today, we are focusing on the crucial phase of distribution, ensuring your film reaches the widest possible audience. Share your film on YouTube, social media, or even film festivals. Use strong titles, thumbnails, and share it with your audience. If your story connects, people will watch, share, and support you.
Start small. Yo, stay consistent. Your movie journey begins now. Thank you. If you like this video, like and subscribe for more information and click the bell. Don't forget to comment me which concept I will make next based on your comment.